Safety first when working on vehicles. Always wear safety glasses, use mechanic gloves, support the vehicle with jack stands, disconnect the battery before working near airbags. This Ford C-Max hybrid came in with major front end damage. First step was removing all damaged parts. Bumper, radiator, condenser, and support brackets had to come off. With the front end removed, we inspected the engine and hybrid components. Fortunately, the engine itself was still in good condition. Interior panels were removed out the seat belts, inspect wiring and airbag systems, remove doors. Cleaning and inspection are important after a major collision. Curtain airbag seat belt, steering wheel airbag, crash sensors, airbag module reset. The engine itself was still in good condition, some plastic, but the hood, not good. Cleaning and inspection. Trash full of plastic parts. New radiator and cooling components installed. Making sure everything lines up correctly is critical. New front crash support installed. This part helps protect the car in future impacts. Replace radiator shutters. Test fitting the bumper and front panels. Alignment is checked before final assembly. Front end components installed and everything tightened. The car is starting to come back together. Hood, bumper, and lights installed. The rebuild is almost complete. From wreck to rebuilt. Another car saved and back on the road. Projects like this show how wrecked cars can be repaired with the right tools, patience, and mechanical knowledge. Subscribe for more rebuild projects, Copart flips, and mechanic repairs.